Hi everyone. So we are going to go ahead and get into this June's monthly budget. And so as you can see, I have a different setup. I am actually going to be using my digital monthly planner. Just testing it out. For those who have been watching my videos, of course, you know I invested into a new tablet due to needing to upgrade. And so I said, let me check this out. Let me see if I like this because I'm always on a device doing my budgeting, as well as I always, I still use my petite planner. And so I just wanted to test it out and see if I like this. So let's just go ahead and get started. So basically what I've done is I have a sheet, a monthly sheet set out for the calendar as well as for the budget. And so as you can see, for this month of June, I already put in the actual paydays that I'm scheduled to get paid, and that is going to be highlighted in green, just because it just stands out. So this payday will be on the 11th and then the 25th. And so what I've done is I went in and put the bills that are scheduled to come out. I didn't put in my automatic payments that come out. That's standard per pay period, just because I knew it wasn't going to be enough room. And it automatically comes out on the 11th, 25th. So I would set that up on the actual monthly overview. But I have my student loan, my Sirius XM, then my truck insurance, lights, and then as you can see right here, I went in and added some dates for May because with this paycheck, we're going to actually end up having to use this paycheck to actually pay these bills for the first part of I said May, July. So cell, cable, and federal student loan. So we have the monthly overview. And so let's go ahead and I'm just going to keep this labeled just because that way I know what month each one is for once I have it set up. So let's go in here and let's put the monthly income. So we are looking at $3,222.64. And for the expenses, ooh, let me see if I can blow this up some. Okay, we have my standard chime account, which is $100. We have the project fund, and that is $100. We have the credit union, and that is 105. And oh, you guys, you know what? Crazy me. I forgot this is the monthly. So it's gonna be 200, 200, 210, and we have so I already paid the sale information for the first part, so we're going to cross over to the student loan, the Sirius XM. So we're going to say Navient, which is 1633. And that is, see what I have down for Sirius XM. 6621, and I'm gonna put budgeted. I'm gonna put budgeted because I am not confident that that's the payment, because I pay it quarterly, so it kind of throws me off. Then we have the truck insurance, and I budget that for, was it 172? Let's go with 176. And then we have the lights, and I have that amount. I'm actually I'm always working off of my calendar on my phone. So that's why I'm going back and forth. So I budgeted 361 for the lights. And then we have the cell phone, which is for the month of July, and that's going to be actual. Cable, because that's coming up to that next paycheck. Excuse me. So we're looking at 120, and then I'm gonna have to do the federal student loan. And that is 4101 for this. And we are going to include cash envelopes. So that's going to be 7. I'm going to put that under budgeted because anything can happen, but that's 720 that we're going to look at budgeting. And then I'm going to go over here and do, for the savings goal, let's say June the 11th, I do 140. That's what I've been doing, right? I think 140. Yeah. And then the 25th, 140. And then, of course, goals. I've been getting hit kind of hard for the last couple of months. Trying to, of course, I got the tablet. I keep saying laptop, the tablet, and then I also got mattress set. So hopefully this time I can do a extra payment for student loan. It's not enough room. Let me see, maybe because okay. That's one of the goals. I think right now I'm just going to try to focus on the student loan, just because this year is almost over with, and like I mentioned in one of my videos, I really want to try to pay some of this interest down for that. So I think that's going to be the only thing that I focus on. So let's see if we can get the actual total. So we are looking at 200 plus 200 plus 210 plus 1633 plus 6621 plus 176 plus 361 plus 35 plus 120 plus 4101 plus 720, total should be budgeted at $2,145.55. And I'm gonna highlight the ones that are automatically coming out. Okay. And so we are looking at $2,145 for the month. And oh, I didn't have something down here, Val. So let's do, I gotta have my projected balance. So let's take away that from the $3,222.64, and the projected balance should be $1,077.09 for the month. Because I think I have everything. I mean, I seriously, her lights, still cable, federal. And I have my lights in here. Okay. So basically, this is the monthly overview for the month of June. Hopefully everything works out, but we will find that out when I actually do the first paycheck, just to make sure, see what's left out of that. So one of the paychecks is going to probably have more left out of than the other, because this amount is kind of high, but anything's possible. And then of course I have everything here, and I will add as needed. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm kind of feeling this digital planning right now. So that's basically it. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, like, and most important, subscribe to this channel. Thanks.